Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan Culley and I'm the Employer Liaison Manager for the Faculty of Engineering. It's part of my role to help you find work for your practical hours, as well as graduate level jobs once you've completed your studies. Hopefully you've seen my emails. I will only send you information that is relevant, so please make sure that they don't go to your spam folder. So your departmental practical work rep will explain the difference between general and sub-professional hours and what types of activities qualify in your specialisation in a separate video. So you can see the list of departmental reps here. So if you have any questions about the type of work that you can do or the reports, then please get in contact with them. This presentation will explain what you can do to find work for your practical hours. It is your responsibility to find your own practical work, as we have too many students for us to place, but I'm here to help you as much as I can. You should start by reading all the information which can be found on the practical work web pages. There are sample practical work reports on the website, which will give you an idea of the type of work and activities that you should be looking for. If you have any further questions about the type of work or the report, then again, please contact your departmental rep. You should treat your job search like an extra paper. Make a plan, including a list of companies you would like to work for and the types of jobs that you would like to do. Keep records of applications you've made and the people you've approached. Do this in like a job search diary so that you can follow up later if you haven't heard anything back. You will need to be creative in your job search and determined, and you'll need to have a great CV and cover letter. You should create an online profile on LinkedIn and use the URL on your CV and in your email signature. Many employers will search LinkedIn using keywords, so make sure that you include the relevant ones on your profile. You also need to be proactive in networking with people and approaching potential employers. So start by asking all your family and friends if they have any contacts or connections that you can use. Talk to students in part 3 and 4 for any tips and advice, because they've hopefully already done some practical work and can help you. Write and practice your elevator or sales pitch. This is an introduction about who you are and what you're looking for. So when you're talking to employers or emailing them, you'll have a good opening statement that is clear and professional. You can download a list of employers in your specialisation who've taken students over the last few years. This will give you a good starting point. I'd also recommend joining the relevant student club, as they often have industry links and hold networking events. In addition, you can become a student member of Engineering New Zealand. They also hold events, things like speed interviewing, and students have secured employment from these events in the past. Employment agencies are another option, and you can approach them. They may be able to help you find work over the summer break. You can look on job sites like Student Job Search, Seek, Indeed, TradeMe, as they sometimes have opportunities for temporary work that could qualify for hours. For tech-related internships, look at Summer of Tech. They've placed many engineering students over the last few years, mainly useful for sort of engineering science, software engineering, CompSys, but they do have a lot of different opportunities there. I'll help you as much as I can by engaging with industry to showcase you as our students as a great resource that they can use. There will be companies coming onto campus in semester 2, hopefully, so please do make sure you come and talk to them. Career Development and Employability Services, or CDES, is the university's career service and can help you with advice and guidance on CVs, cover letters, applications, LinkedIn profiles, and job search strategies. They're currently running all their services online, so please do check out their website. They also host an online job board where you can search for internships and part-time work. They'll also be running an internships expo next semester, so do keep an eye out for that, and I will email you the details once I know a bit more about that. You may be concerned about the ongoing COVID-19 situation affecting your ability to find practical work. The situation is evolving daily, and many of the companies that I've been talking to, they're still advertising and intending to hire students for practical work. Some of them are delaying their recruitment until they know a bit more about the impact of COVID-19 on their businesses. The flip side of this is that some companies will see an increase in business as their clients look to adapt to an online world. For example, software engineers for companies looking to move their operations online. Many businesses may be able to offer remote or online work, and we'll look to be as flexible as we can regarding remote working being acceptable. Your departmental rep and I will be holding a joint question and answer session online soon in case you have any further questions, and you'll be emailed the date of this session. If you have any questions for me, there's my contact details. So thanks for listening to this, and good luck with the job search.